The Antigravity A1 8K 360-degree drone. Honestly, I've never been more excited to unbox something than right now. It's been on my desk for the past like 3 days, never had time to unbox it, and the excitement just grew in me, so now I'm filming this video so I can finally put it out of the box. I got the Infinity bundle here. There's another bundle, I think it's called the Explorer bundle, and there is the non-bundle version. But this one gives you 3 high-capacity batteries, and I'm gonna list the differences between all the different variants in this video. So before you buy anything, be sure to watch this video, and if you like it, be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, then here we can tear it open somehow. It's a bit tricky.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I got a knife here, so let's unbox this bad boy. Gotta open here. So, get this wrapping off. And there is the box. Let's just move this over there. Move the knife away, we don't need it anymore. So here is a little hatch that I can just pull, kind of like apple-like I'd say. And I got plastic off here, and then I can open. I should be able to open it just like that. Yes. So, what do I see here? First of all, we have the carrying case, and actually that's all. I think I just bought the carrying case, to be honest. Just kidding, of course. But so yeah, this is the carrying case. From what I'm aware of, you only get these in the bundle, so you don't get it alone, I think. So let's look into it. What is there? We got some, so we got a manual here, some instructions. Who is the fucking manual anyways? I got safety guidelines. Fuck safety, right? Just kidding, of course. Always use the safety guidelines, of course. And European information because it's a class 1 drone. Yes. We have stickers. Oh, we even have stickers. Actually, they're not too bad. Look nice. Alright. Is there anything left in there? No. Then let's open up this carrying case right here. Oh, it looks so good. Alright, of course I'm gonna start with the small stuff right away. We have, I don't even know what this is. Oh, also in both bundles, it's a card reader for the SD card. Just gonna rip this one out. So, nothing special. You got USB-C here, and you got, oh no, you got USB-C here, got lightning here, and in here you can slide in your micro SD card. Then what else is up there? We got the lanyard for the goggle battery that you're gonna carry around your neck. You're just gonna put it like that. So yeah, if you didn't know, you're gonna have the goggles on, and you put the battery in there. So it's not integrated in the goggles, you just carry it around your neck. Then what we got here, it's a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. Nothing special for that. More good stuff, more good stuff. So we got a glove to clean it. We got, I think, lenses. What are this? Oh, it's some kind of lenses for the goggles. I think it's if you wanna have like correction lenses, you put these ones in. And we got the power cable for the battery to goggles. All right. I'm gonna make such a mess here. So next up, the next thing, oops, So we got one blade, or actually 2 blades. So it's no, it's 1 blade. You just have to screw it together. I think it is a replacement. Actually, the first ones I have to mount. So screwdriver here, other pair of blades. They even show you where they go on the little drawing there, which is kind of nice for people who don't know where to mount which props. So the same goes here. So we have got 4 propellers, and that's it up there, and that's it up there. Then let's go to the somewhat highlight, I'd say. So we got battery number. No, it's not. Oh, it's on the battery. It's a charging hub. So yeah, in the bundle you get the charging hub as well. And this is actually not only the charging hub, it's a battery as well. Yes. So I got with the Infinity bundle you get 3 high capacity drones. 3 high capacity batteries. And basically, so let's put these ones out there as well. And they're a bit heavier than the standard batteries that you get with the standard drone standalone or with the Explorer bundle. However, they also give you more flight time. The thing is, if you put this in, you're gonna be above the 250 grams, and then you have to comply. There's a little bit more restrictions there. So just keep it in mind. They give you longer flight time, but you're also heavier than 250 grams. That's why I also bought one lower battery or standard battery, so I can fly in places where there's, so I can fly my drone with 250 grams somewhere and have less restrictions. Next up, put this there, 3 batteries and the charging hub. Charging hub has place for 2 batteries here. You can actually open this one up here. Oops. I'm gonna put this there. Then you have space for a 3rd one, and you can charge the 3rd one right up here. So you can charge all 3 batteries with this little charging hub here. Next up we have the controller. So if you didn't know, there is no like standard FPV controller. The Antigravity 360 is being controlled just with this kind of joystick kind of thing. I tried the joystick in the for the DJI FPV drone. I think it's called DJI Motion or whatever. Didn't really like it, so I hope this one is better. Yeah, you can't fly back. You can only push it to you, but you can't push it forward to fly backwards, which you probably won't need in a 360-degree drone, because you can just fly and reframe it later. Put this little thing there. But the quality feels nice. I mean, it's all plastic, but all in all it feels nice. It has a little USB-C port down here for charging. Yeah, I do wish they would have made it in black. It would be way more stealth. Then next up, I actually don't know if the highlight are the goggles or the drone, because the goggles are amazing. So we're gonna open this one up here. And there are the goggles. And they might look like standard FPV kind of thing goggles. And oh man, they're not. They are so not. That's so much trashy, oh my god. So you can, have to remove these stickers here. That sticker there. Basically, in one of the lenses there's a display, and you put it up, and then the other person can see what you're seeing. So it's more like collective flying, if you want to name it like that. And yeah, you can also make different animations. I've also seen you can put a cat in the display here instead of the camera view. And all in all, the quality looks super nice. I'm not gonna put it up right now on my head. I'm gonna tell you in the next video if how heavy it is actually. But yeah, that's the goggles. Oh, there's a little stick I have to remove from there. Let's put this one also here. And now the main part. So just gonna put this away. The drone. And it's actually wrapped twice. So, it's a little carrying case, that's sweet. I will put it in the text if, I don't actually know if this one is included in all bundles or if it's just the Explorer and Infinity bundle. But yeah, got a little mechanism here to open it up. And there it is. The amazing feat of technology. Got silica pearls. And wow, it's so small. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. So these are actually the replacement propellers because got all three up there. So let's unfold this drone. This is how it looks like. Got the little landing gear up here. So you can put it down just like that. You got 360 cameras. It's like both are super wide, and if you stitch it together, you get a 360 degree video feed. And they cut out the drone, so you don't see the drone anywhere in the recordings. You got distance sensors here and to the bottom, here, and somewhere else as well. No, actually not. But this is... Wait, do I have? Oh! Guys, this is the battery for the goggles, not the drone. So I thought they gave me like 4 batteries, but it's only like these 3. So 3 batteries for the drone and 1 for the goggles. And then you can just hook it here like that. And yeah, that's the drone. Honestly, it's so light. It's amazing. I so want to fly this, but I can't, it's dark already outside. So that's it for the unboxing basically. So to sum up, the Infinity bundle gives you 3 high capacity batteries instead of the normal ones. That's like the biggest difference. I think you also get 1 little accessoire more. Then with the lower bundle, if it's not the Explorer bundle, I'm gonna put it there in a video, but I think it's called the Explorer bundle. It gives you 3 normal batteries, so not these high capacity, not the heavy ones, but the smaller ones, where you get a bit less flight time, but they also give the drone a max, make the drone weigh less than 250 grams. And you also get a carrying case in the Explorer bundle and a bunch more. So I would definitely recommend getting at least 1 bundle to get the max out of the drone so you can fly multiple times. And it's also, I would say, a better deal for the money. But if you only can afford the standard one, go for the standard one. It's really an experience from what I've read. I've not actually flown it yet. And yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna fly it. I'm gonna tell you my first experience with it. Until then, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Did you buy the drone? Did you not? Do you like the concept of like 360 drones? Let me know down in the comments and see you next time.